Now we'll quickly move on to our rapid fire round, okay, which is the most trickiest part of this episode, I would say. I'll start with Benzer. वो ना इथून जबाब दिवपाचो. Okay, you need to be very quick and spontaneous.
Okay.
ह्या संवसारांत भूत म्हणजे घोस्ट, okay, आसता हें तूं बिलीव करता?
होय.
केन्नाय तरी तूं तुज्या इश्टा मित्रा वा कोणाच्याय वांगडा बॅट जिखला?
होय.
बुराक आसलेले सॉक्स तुवें केन्ना घातल्या?
होय. आता काय ना?
ओके. तुज्या कुडीचेर कसलेय टॅटूज आसा?
येस.
कितले?
3 व्हडलो हा एक.
ओके ओके ऑलरायट ओके. केन्ना तरी तूं तियात्राचे वा थिएटराचे हॉल मदेंच सोडून गेला?
होय.
तुका दिसता जोरी तर तूं पंचायतीच्या इलेक्शनाक बसल्यार तूं जिखतलो म्हूण?
ना.
ओके. कॅन यू स्विम? तुका दिसता तुज्यान दर्यांतल्यान पेंवोन पणजे सावन बेती मांडोवी नदी क्रॉस करूंक शकता म्हूण?
ना.
ओके. रायझिंग ऑफ फ्यूल प्रायसीस विल मेक यू हेल्पलेस, येस और नो?
येस.
ओके. नाव यू नीड टू आन्सर. तुका तुज्या बाबा कडून ब्रायना कडसून बेस्ट एडवायस कितें मेवला आयज पासून?
बेस्ट एडवायस. एडवायस पयलीं सद्या आमी झगडटाय दोगोय. एडवायस कितें तो म्हणजे कितें कोत तें केन्ना गिव अप कोनाक मग.
ओके. तुज्या फोनार लास्ट तुजी गुगल सर्च कितें आसली?
गूगल सर्च म्हाका
नो नो यू कॅनॉट लूक नाव.
होय.
हय.
Maybe some film lights I was searching for.
Okay, alright. Have you ever tried to do a magic trick?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose to train in Emilina बरोबर travel करता. So how will you spend the time? On the phone or chatting with her?
Uno cards.
Okay, okay. तू toothpick उजार करता? Why?
Dance kungo.
Okay. आता you need to tell me 5 ex Emily ची नावां जे 2022 हारल्या. हय.
So Francis Silveira, Emily Allo, Santandre, Cecilia Alemão, आणि कोण आलो? Emily. आणि खबर नाही बघा.
Okay, दोन. Okay, alright. At least दोन पडी जाण तू. Okay, moving on to Emilina, very quick. Okay. Do you have a pet?
Yes.
Are you married?
No.
परदेशान केन्ना रावला?
Nah.
Do you enjoy running?
Yes.
केन्ना तरी तू stand-up comedy try करतले? Will you try anytime?
Yes.
Would you appear on a reality show?
Yes.
Do you speak more than 3 languages?
Yes. No.
Okay. Do you enjoy performing in front of audience?
Not really.
Do you vote in your local election regularly?
No.
Now you need to answer. What is your resolution for Lenten season?
Nothing this time.
Nothing. Okay. What has changed the most since you started your YouTube channel?
The way I dress up.
Okay. What do you usually wear while going out for shopping?
Pant and t-shirt.
तुका राग केन्ना येता?
जेन्ना म्हाका कोण अंडरएस्टिमेट करतना.
Okay. How do you want your loved ones to remember you?
That I always made them laugh during their tough times.
Okay. How would you like a stranger to remember you?
That I always made them laugh during their tough times.
All right. Thank you so much for playing this thing very well and being very excellent and prompt. I know you're a youngster, so तुम मस्त हैं. Okay. So thank you so much.